Hi all, I am Yogita. So finally the wait is over and No Phrase Academy has started its written examination preparation classes. Here I'll be teaching biology, environment, English and current affairs. Every subject is unique and has its own strategy to deal with, and that is why every subject is designed in a way that you get maximum benefit. In biology, diagrams should do the talking. The functioning of the organs, or how the cells, tissues function, how organs function in both botany as well as zoology, how the evolution takes place. Everything can be understood by grasping the pictorial representations. So here it is more of pictures. You will get the best of the pictures and understanding of the concept during the classes itself. Then next is environment. Environment is all about connecting the dots. Environment is not solitary subject. It has to be connected with geography. It has to be connected with current events. So all aspects will be covered holistically, and environment will be covered by solving maximum MCQs, understanding and grasping knowledge during the classes itself. Now next is English. English is more of practice. The more you practice, the more you get acquainted with the language, understanding, building vocabulary, and understanding new words, using it in your own sentences, plus solving, filling the blanks, then closed test, and the format which is followed by defense examinations will follow the same pattern, and we'll keep solving. Here it is seen to it that you solve here in the class itself, so that you do not have to take extra efforts for English later on. Next is current events. Current events is also about conceptual understanding and grasping. Here it is seen to it that whatever happened in the last year, you will be dealing it with one by one, whether it's an event happening in India or the world. You should be able to connect it with your basic subjects as well. So reading an article or a newspaper reading, and then understanding, you will get an approach, proper approach that includes PIB reading as well. We will see to it that the notes that you get, the written notes that you get, the hard copies that you get, are concise enough to get to the core, get to the background. If there is historical background that is required, that is covered. So it's all about understanding, grasping, and all these things will help you in solving MCQs. MCQs, we see to it that we solve during the classes, so that maximum analyzing skills within time happens during the lecture itself. And this is how it will go about. It will be a smooth process. One by one we will cover all the subjects, and we will take the feedback from you. That is more important. We will try to connect with you all, take feedback, provide work on it, and then you can be a part of the process itself. In the sense, it should be learning experience, and it should be maximum benefit has to be drawn from the process. Meet you all in January. We will be starting the course, so hope we will have a better connectivity amongst us. Join our program, and thank you so much.